Hello and welcome to this live, the last of this week, the last live of this week. That's what we're going to be doing. And yes, this look is right now in stock. This was our look which launched last month, and yes, it was our Neve Essential. That's the whole look. And premium cotton, Karwa, Sona Rupa in one stunning color. Iski style video हमने just post की है, so that's also there. And since the day we have launched it, ये कभी भी stock में नहीं रहता. It's always on pre-order. But as of today, yes, it's available and ready to be shipped out, which is I think what's so special about it. And don't forget कि इस वीक के सारे ही लाइव हो चुके हैं. The next week, I think the lives will only start Tuesday evening or Wednesday. So yes, there is some time now for you to enjoy what we've just shown you, especially the pieces that I'm going to be showing you today. Really stunning. The last live that we did, what was that? We have shown you some dupattas and Katan silk ones. So some stunning Katan silk ones. यही होता है, हम इतनी recording करते हैं, sometimes you forget what was the last one. Anyways, very quickly moving on to the piece that I have been meaning to show you, and that's this. This is the fabric. Now, of course, in my style video also I've spoken about the intricacy of it. This is all in Sona Rupa in Karwa. This is our newest, most signature motif that we are coming out with. You can see this beautiful softness of the fabric. Very soft, very stunning, and I've styled it top and bottom. So yeah, so you can see this is my bottom as well. For a look like this, now this is what I've actually picked up my kurta here. Now you can see this whole layouting right here. I think it looks amazing on the bottom as well. Of course, the fabric, price बढ़ जाता है अगर आप ये वाला fabric लेते हैं for your bottom. And if you want to then kind of tone it down, then you can go for a plain chandeli cotton bottom. That also works very well. और इसके साथ जो दुपट्टा है, now honestly I think it's a very complete look on on its own. I mean, you really don't need a dupatta, but I know some of you prefer that चाहे light ही हो एक दुपट्टा रहे. So for that I've just done this Kota silk. It also has this gold which really looks good with it. If you don't like Kota silk, then you can go for a Chanderi cotton, the 3200 वाला दुपट्टा जिसमें Sona Rupa as this दोनों रहता है. So you have both the option depending on what fabric that you like. Full look देखने के लिए आप style guide बाद में देखिएगा. First things first, you see this live. We have a beautiful collection. What all of new linen suits, new linen fabric, of tussar fabric. Yeah, so all of that coming up. Now you can see this here. Go place your order now. They will be shipped. If you wanna, kind of want it on COD, you can also opt for that. You can just give a token amount and then you can just place it on COD. So, comfort of getting it in your hand, and then of course, at the time when you receive it, before that you have to make the payment and then take it. But एक बहुत comfort रहता है. So if you're here new, you've been wondering कि मैं नीव से क्या लूँ, कैसे लूँ, कब लूँ, बहुत simple है. लाइव में best collection देखिए, WhatsApp पे आइए, order place करिए. Payment mode जानिए, you can go for COD, you can go completely prepaid, and then just get it in your hand. And that no matter where you are, आप दुनिया में कहीं भी है, हमारे pieces आप तक पहुंच सकते हैं, or at least wherever DHL is available, you will get it from there. Yes, we use DHL, the very best service internationally. Blue Dart for most of our pieces, wherever it's available again in India. So yeah, a little bit on that, and here you go. As promised, I'm going to be showing you a brand new collections of very beautiful pieces. The first one, this linen fabric in Meena is a specialty. This is one design that we have. It's our newest design, and tell me what you think of it. Whether we should make a whole lot of a collection out of it. If you ask me, I have loved it because we've changed the Meena colors. We usually do a lot of pink and orange in our Meena colors in linen. और हमारा एक बहुत beautiful collection है. In fact, if you have not seen it, just ask us. We'll send you the picture of it being in pink and orange Meena along with a touch of green. Now in this one, we do have pink because it looks so beautiful. But we have like a, mehndi green ka lighter shade, a sea green, and then of course this whole light touch of gold zari. but what's more standing is the, you know, the base of it, this pure white, and it's dyeable and it's stunning. Wear it on a same on same. जब मैं आपने ये पहना है, again, you know, like the same look like I'm wearing. You don't need much, but अगर आप चाहें तो आप एक light कोटा दुपट्टा, you want to make it dressy, then we have the most beautiful 18,800 के linen दुपट्टे, which also you can take. So that is also possible. If you want a plain bottom in this one as well, you can go for a Chanderi cotton. That's what we do. Linen bottoms plain we don't make. अगर हम ये plain fabric बनाने लग जाए हमारे room में, our costing will never work out. It'll be so expensive. So yeah, we don't do that. But Chanderi cotton, it looks really good. Now what I have for you is a brand new color palette in our Munga suits. This is a collection, a very pretty one at that, which is launched earlier this year in Munga silk, और इसका जो original version है वो भी मैं दिखाऊंगी. That's also there in stock. Oh, look at that dupatta, guys! All made in Karwa, the most premium look, and it's a jal. It's made in Karwa, and look at the finishing. Look at the whole look. अब मैं इसका आपको दिखाती हूँ. Kurta, that's the kurta. That's the dupatta. All made in Karwa along with Meena. और इसके लिए I have more colors in it. For the first time, I think we did a peach, which is now not there, but now we have, oh, look at that. Let me just show you this. What a beautiful red. You know, we always talk about how Munga silk picks up color in the most glorious way. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, that stunning, stunning dupatta, the flow. You know, a lot of us love red, but we really shy away कि हम पहने नहीं पहने. पहली बात तो, you know, I get so many messages, I'm so and so age, will it work on me? And this is like standard, huh? We get it a lot. I'm so and so age, tell me whether it will work for me. And you know, that so and so age can be anywhere from 30 to 70 to 80. They all say this is my age. Why? You know, I mean, this whole idea that what we wear is so much related to our age. I mean, is it really fair? And is it really fair on us to, you know, feel that कि यार मैं पहनूं कि नहीं पहनूं? Why not? You love it, wear it, wear it. You want a yes note? I'm giving you a big yes note. Yes, you should wear it. Don't give a damn about whoever says what. You know, you will look stunning, and that is all that matters, of how you feel and how you look. That's all. To you, I mean, in your eyes, that's all that matters. Now look at that. That's the beautiful color of red. I think it looks absolutely stunning. The website, this piece is available on the website. It's www.neve.store. Okay, so remember that it's neve.store. So go by that name. You will see, and yeah, we're working on it. You know, sometimes we kind of tend to ignore our website. You know, we get caught up in life of Neve. But right now, we're working really hard. The team is at it, and we have some really stunning pieces on the website for you to check out, and by including these, the one that I have in my hand, so you can get all information. This is the original piece that was launched in the natural color, and you can never go wrong with it. I think all of the initial pieces that we have made and sold have all been in natural color. Then we introduced a peach, and which is right now not available. If you want to see a picture, sure, we'll send it to you, and then you can get it done on order. But that's the natural color, and yes, it's all things very, very beautiful. So premium cotton, that's back again, a new linen fabric, Munga silk suits, and a new color palette. What all do we have for you? We have a lot for you. Now, very lightweight Georgette dupatta from our Jharoka. We call this the Jharoka collection. You know, and this is really lightweight, easy wear Georgette dupattas. और इसका जो composition है, it's very light. So that's how we have done it. These are all 26,800, and we have a range of colors जो मैं अभी आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. And अगर आप सोचते आए कि आपको कुछ खरीदना है, क्या खरीदना है, buy this, buy now, you know. So go for it. And COD is of course available. That's for many of you, and there are no extra charges. Sometime back, I think last year, we removed any extra charges just for your comfort. So एक चीज चाहिए आपसे, हमें एक you know, basic token amount that we need, and you know, that's of course because you're serious about your order, and you know, we just kind of send it across to you. Then we're not worried, neither are you. Now look at that. That's a beautiful color of the dupatta. इसके साथ, okay, what can you wear? You can kind of go for any lightweight plain silk suit, plain chanderi cotton suit. But मेरा ये भी कहना है कि हर सूट, हर दुपट्टे के लिए, we enjoy buying dupattas, but making a perfect look with each of these dupattas sometimes can be a little too much in terms of its cost and time and effort. I say instead have a champagne gold kurta or have our moonga, brocade weave classic kurta. उसके साथ कितने पहन पाएंगे black katan silk suit, and then you can freely wear these dupattas without wondering कि यार हर बार मैं एक सूट कैसे खरीदूं, and it makes no sense to me also. I mean, I'm very happy to do it if that's what you like, but if you ask me, oh man, this is so pretty, look at the black. I think it's really, really nice, looks absolutely amazing. And the very last color in it is this one. It's white, it's dyeable, so in case you have a color on your mind which we've kind of not had right now, then you can go for this. Look at it, right? It's really easy, lightweight, and I'm going to also look at that, very, very lightweight, really close to you, and you can just drape it. मैं आपको ये भी दिखाना चाहती हूँ, the Amina colors is so very pretty in white. I could say that एक दो बार white में पहने, and then you can go for you can later on kind of go for any color. That's also possible, and you can send it to us. There's no extra cost of dyeing, no matter what. So yes, all of that and so much more if you are a part of the Neev circle. Yes. Now, one fabric that all of you have loved, जो मेरे पास है, and now I have more of it, is tussar. I was reading a message this morning of someone saying, tussar in so much vogue. Do you have tussar suits? Yes, we do. And look at that. So there you go. This is the tussar fabric. Iske saath dupatte option I'm going to show you. This is the first one, and it's the most beautiful because ये कोई भी जो आपके मीना के कलर्स हैं उसके साथ हम उसके मैचिंग में भी डाई करा सकते हैं. So that is also possible. Now you can see this. I think it's very pretty. थोड़ा contrasting with the meena. Like it's the same color of one of the meenas. There are many colors. So you can also tell me, I want the sea green color. I think it looks amazing. So you can do that. I'm just basically just showing you this dupatta that you can never go wrong with. Our classics, 18,800. And look at that. That's the fabric. Big, bold, making a statement in tussar and very much dyeable. आप पे है अगर आप dye कराना चाहें. But I think it looks, मुझे अच्छा लगता है natural color. But yes, I agree on the fact that the whole dyed look is also very unique. एक dyed मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. इसमें pink है मेरे पास, which is what I'm going to be showing you. So you can see that and you can see the whole effect of it. See, this is how it's dyed. And yes, it's true that the colors come out very, very, oh, look at that. Isn't that just stunning? This whole fabric, now you can see both comparisons right there. Designs dono ki alag hai, so make sure that you've seen the one that you want. And then you see this and it's so pretty. And then it gets even better from there. So here it is. Now look at this. This is the most gorgeous dupatta. Here it is, and you can see it all. This is our ombre dyed, the tassels matching the color gradation. Unheard of, but that's what you get here at Neev. And look at that. And there you go. And this as a set also looks nice. It's also a fabric that kind of complements well, goes well, tussar and organza. अब इसके साथ आप same on same कर सकते हैं. Or you can go for, you can also say that I want a plain moonga. तो वो भी हो सकता है. Plain moonga bottom, that can also be done. And yes, natural rakhenge. This is one more color. इसके साथ I'm just showing you a different look, which is this. This Georgette dupatta has been doing rounds. It's getting popular. It's a brand new design, and I've always noticed that once we introduce a new design, and we try to look at that, how amazing an orange dupatta can look. It's so pretty. And the dupatta, it's just about dupatta. It's so very nice. I always see that, it takes a bit of time. This design, of course, has been around for a while, but now I think you can really, many of you enjoying the looks and the versions of it. The very last one जो मेरे पास है tussar में, मैं वो आपको दिखाती हूँ. And it's a pretty pastel Meena design that I have. And look at the dupatta. इसके साथ मैं दो dupatta option दिखाऊंगी. This is of course always been around. Georgette dupatta. and perfection in terms of its color. और इसका बूटा मुझे सीधा दिखाना होगा आपको. So look at that, the boota, you can see the boota, the pastels in this is what I think looks so very pretty. So yes, style it. You can even do like a flary kurta. Kali, if you give it from the top, it will flow in one piece. I think it'll look very nice. A-line bhi agar aap kare. And let me show you this dupatta, and I'll show you two options. One matching the sea green, and the next one. Now look at that. Here it is. This is the matching the sea green one. And then if you still like, I'll show this to you separately as well, because as I said, these are absolute essentials in your wardrobe. You have to have it. And then is this. This is the, look at that. Oh, such a classy color. Maine fabric side mein rakhe ye dupatta, I'm showing it to you. But you know, there's a reason. Look at the Sona Rupa. It's just outstanding. Now, isi ke saath you can go for this look. Look at that. So you can either go for that, which is the sea green one. But if you say, yeah, mujhe sea green color acha laga, mujhe is style mein chahiye, that is 26,800. Of course, this is 18,800. So we can do that color in this as well. So there you go. And as I said, a new collection of, okay, I was going to show you this dupatta. Let me show it to you. Look at that. This dupatta is to die for. And more if you have worn it, you've kind of, you know, of course, today I'm not standing up. I've done a style look. I wanted to really show it to you close. That's why I'm not standing up. So, but you can see the whole look right there. It'll just fall and just look amazing. No matter how you wear it, it's very forgiving, this fabric. So it's very good like that. Now, some suits, and I'm going to show you one showstopper dupatta, jo mujhe live mein, you know, how is it that every time we launch something, you say, yeah, live mein dikhaiye, you know. Okay, so I'm going to show you this, and this is the dupatta. This is in Karwa. Now, this is also, like you can see, so this is one design, and this is the bottom, so you can see that. And this is the kurta, the dupatta. It's in Karwa with a touch of Meena, and it's this beautiful, look at that. That's your dupatta. Or iske saath ye color. This is the season to wear these ultra classy, very comfortable, and this is premium cotton base, and just absolutely amazing looks. This is with a green Meena, and iska ye white bottom hai, uska of course colored hai. This is the off-white bottom. And then, you know, I'm just going to open and show it to you first. Let's show you this. Here it is. There you go. So there you go. That's your full look of the piece. और इसके बाद, as I said, I'm going to show you the dupatta जो मेरे मन में था. You know, I wanted to show it to you. And there you go. Here it is. Oh, look at that. Look at the color. Look at the beauty of it. The meenakari. And of course, what is also very special about it, the color looks fabulous. The finishing is amazing. You know, of course, that is what you will always expect with Neem. And we are at it, always at it, doing our best. Now, what you also can see is this very extra finishing that we've tried on it. You know, it's again the first piece that we're doing. This is a Lakhnoi jali that's been done between the bootas, and I think that is what makes it so very special. If you see, now look at that. Look at the colors and how it looks. This is, of course, one of. We also have done a brilliant pairing with the green fabric, this green that you see here in Katan silk. You can ask us for the picture and we'll send it to you. But you can see this whole piece in all its glory. Look at how it moves, guys. Don't miss that. It's absolutely amazing, just the fabric in itself, you know. And wear it on the same in a plain silk suit and the statement dupatta, or go for a contrast. We have a very nice contrast. Ask us for the pictures and we'll send it to you. And there you go. So that's your dupatta that you've been wanting to see in the live, and there you go. So yes, we had also done, of course, one very nice combination with it in a video yesterday. मेरे हिसाब से वो खुद में ही बहुत अच्छा है. It's a satin fabric. But at the moment, don't move anywhere. Once this live is ended, then yes, you can go and check it out. Always remember, हमारे live सारे ही post होते हैं the moment it ends. So, you know, even if you don't catch it then, you can always catch it later. On that note, this week, this is our third live, the last for the next 4-5 days. We have no more lives coming. We have shown everything that we wanted to show you. So that's, of course, your your note to go and close on the pieces that you've been waiting and finding. So yes, that. Now I'm going to do the one collection that we've always had, which is the Nakshatra collection, and मुझे वो दिखाना था because we still have some wonderful colors in that, which is what I'm going to be showing you, the Nakshatra collection. Remember, it's a collection you can customize in any color that you want. That's the very last of today's live. And yes, this what I'm wearing is from our collection that we launched last month, and it's available. For now, it's been on pre-order for the last 1 month or so, but abhi ye ban ke aaya, so we have something that we can ship to you immediately. Now, let's show you the colors. This concept जो है नक्षत्र का, and the price for the full 3-piece suit set जिसमें कुर्ता bottom सब pure silk है और दुपट्टा is 26,500, 26,000. So yeah, 26,000, that's the price. मैं इसका I'll just break it down for you. The bottom is plain silk. You can go for a buta if you want. The dupatta is this pure organza with detailing, and look at the colors. And honestly, we can do any color. We also have a lot of them in pictures and options for you to see. Because of course sell out होते रहते हैं. So we have one certain collection that we have ready to show you, rest in pictures. And 26,001, beautiful, very dressy भी है, and it looks perfect. अगर आप सिर्फ दुपट्टा लेना चाहें तो 12,800, सिर्फ fabric लेना चाहें तो 3,250 per meter. But as a set, man, look at it, it's so perfect, not too heavy, nothing simple, just the right amount of touch on it, which is what makes it so special. Now look at that. Here it is, the yellow. Sorry. And you can see the yellow, and it's really bright and nice. इसी के साथ plain silk bottom is what we're going to give you. I have the last 2 colors with me. This is also a color that's done really, really well. It's a beautiful, cherry red, ruby red. I'm going to see what you're going to call it. You can call it either. So look at that, how it stuns you. Complete set 26,000. अगर आप सोचते हैं कि आपको कुछ लेना है, तो what you should get from us is a full set. You know why I say that? Of course, दुपट्टा बहुत अच्छे try करने के लिए 2.5 मीटर कपड़ा वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, and then you can see it, minimal cost or whatever, you can try that. But full look का फायदा है कि when you take a full look, you don't have to worry अभी मैं इसको complete करूँ, कब सिलाऊँ, अंदर रख देती हूँ, I'll think about it later. You can just go right away, give it to your tailor, master ji, boutique, whatever, and get it and wear it. And I'm very interested in that because I know that when you wear it, there is no going back. So yeah, that's the confidence I have, and yes. So that's what I'm always looking at, is for you to try. Our full sets start from 10,000. Cotton uru suit wo try kare, and this of course agar silk mein it's like mota moti are starting range, and they look amazing. And look at that, a beautiful lavender. Such great pieces to try and experience, and I think it's just amazing, right? So yes, as I said, that's the last live for the week. Go shopping, go now. Most stunning collection launched, and yes, get us a screenshot, come on WhatsApp and place your order. So thank you, and I will see you sometime next week. Have a really great weekend ahead. Bye.